Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Pathfinder transmission. First, ensure your vehicle is safely elevated on jack stands. Next, locate and remove the skid plates and any exhaust components obstructing access. Carefully disconnect electrical connectors and transmission cooler lines. Remember to label everything for easier reassembly. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. With the vehicle prepared, it's time to remove the old transmission. Begin by supporting the engine securely to prevent it from dropping. Carefully unbolt the torque converter from the flex plate, ensuring it slides back into the transmission. Then, systematically remove all transmission mounting bolts. Slowly lower the transmission using a transmission jack, guiding it out from under the vehicle. Take your time to avoid damage. Now let's get that new transmission in place. First, make sure the torque converter is fully seated into the new transmission. You should hear a few clicks. Carefully raise the new transmission with your jack, aligning it with the engine block. Guide it into position, ensuring the dowel pins align perfectly. Reinstall all mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque. This step requires precision. For the final steps, reconnect all electrical connectors and transmission cooler lines. Reinstall the exhaust components and skid plates. Now, refill the transmission with the manufacturer-recommended fluid, checking the level carefully. Start the engine, cycle through the gears, and recheck the fluid level. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Take it for a test drive to ensure everything operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.